Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube an error occurred, please try again later. Alright, so let's begin. So guys, for the first method, you want to go into search and type in date and time settings. Click on it, and once you're there, make sure that your time zone is correct and that the set time automatically option is turned on. After that, scroll down and click on sync to ensure that your date and time are fully updated. Check if this resolves the issue for you. If it's still not working, then move on to the second method. While on YouTube, go to the URL bar and click on the icon right next to it. From there, select Cookies and Site Data. When the menu opens, choose Manage on Device Site Data and delete everything that appears. Once that's done, click on Done, then go back and reload the YouTube page. This should help fix the issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix YouTube an error occurred, please try again later. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.